Lockpicking. For those of you who may have purchased one of these, it's a lockpicking tool, and it works great on American locks. Because American locks, like everything else in America, is thicker than anything else. I don't mean cock size. I mean like mental. Yeah, the locks in America are wider than the ones in Europe, in England. So if you've got a lockpicking tool like this, in all likelihood, it will not fit in a European or English lock. Ours are tighter, so you would not be able to use that on an English lock. If you've got an old-fashioned American style, like some Yale locks might work, but if you've got like a modern padlock, a European padlock, or a security lock, or a modern door, it won't fit. It's that simple. So yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, American locks are they've got a wider opening in America apparently. In England the openings are a lot tighter.